Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about muscles of soul. So the muscles of the soul are arranged in 4 different layers. A first layer, second layer, third and fourth layer. So the first layer of muscles of soul is starting with the letter A, B, that is AB, that is the abductor hallucis. From the medial side, it is the abductor hallucis. On the big toe side, it is abductor hallucis. Hallucis means it is related with big toe. Then to the little toe side, that is the abductor digitae minimi. So abductor hallucis, and on the lateral side, that abductor digitae minimi. And in between these two, there is a flexor, and that is flexor for the remaining toes. So that is the flexor digitorum brevis. Brevis means short muscle. So that is getting originate and inserted within the sole. It is a short muscle. So first layer of muscles of sole are only 3 intrinsic muscles. Intrinsic means the muscles which are originating and getting inserted within the sole. So they are the abductor hallucis, flexor digitorum brevis and abductor digitae minimi. So these are the 3 intrinsic muscles of the first layer. Coming to the muscles of the second layer. Second layer muscles consist of only 2 intrinsic muscles and they have 2 extrinsic muscles also. Extrinsic muscles are the muscles which are originating or they have attachment in some other region and they have attachment in the sole also. So they are the flexor hallucis longus and flexor digitorum longus. Both these tendons, both they have longus. So they have long muscle and tendon. So they are originating from a different compartment of leg rather than from the sole, and they are getting inserted into the sole. So 2 extrinsic muscles are the tendons of flexor hallucis longus and tendon of flexor digitorum longus. Both these muscles are originating from the posterior compartment of leg. Then about the intrinsic muscles of the second layer of sole, they are the flexor digitorum accessorius. It is also known as quadratus plantae. And one more muscle, that is the lumbricals. So 2 intrinsic muscles are the flexor digitorum accessorius and it is also known as quadratus plantae, and the other intrinsic muscle of the second layer of sole is the lumbricals. So both these intrinsic muscles of the second layer have a relation with the flexor digitorum longus. See. First we will see the extrinsic tendons. Both these tendons, flexor hallucis longus and flexor digitorum longus, pass beneath the flexor retinaculum, and the flexor digitorum longus crosses superficially the tendon of flexor hallucis longus like this. This is the tendon of flexor digitorum longus. So this muscle is the quadratus plantae, which is having attachment to the flexor digitorum longus, and the other muscle, that is the lumbricals, which is also getting originate from the flexor digitorum longus tendon. Details we will see later. Now about the muscles of the third layer. The third layer is having 3 intrinsic muscles. The 3 intrinsic muscles means they are having origin and insertion within the sole. So they are just opposite to these muscles. Here comes the abductor. So here have the flexor. So the flexor hallucis brevis, and this side it is the flexor digitae minimi brevis. Here is the first layer, it is the abductor digitae minimi. Here comes it is the flexor digitae minimi brevis. And the third muscle is here is the abductor. So here you have to mention an adductor muscle. So the adductor muscle of the third layer is the adductor hallucis. The adduction is for hallucis or the big toe. So the three intrinsic muscles of the third layer of sole are the flexor hallucis brevis, flexor digiti minimi brevis and the adductor hallucis. Next about the fourth layer muscles. They have again two intrinsic muscles and two extrinsic muscles. So extrinsic muscles are the one which are originating from a region other than sole and have some attachment in the sole. So first we will see which are the extrinsic muscles. They are the tendon of peroneus longus and tendon of tibialis posterior. So here is the tendon of peroneus longus and this is the tendon of tibialis posterior. Tibialis posterior is a muscle of posterior compartment of leg and the peroneus longus is the muscle of the lateral compartment of leg. And about the intrinsic muscles, there are two intrinsic muscles and the fourth layer. They are the plantar interossei and dorsal interossei. This is the dorsal aspect of the foot, or you can see the dorsal interossei, and here you can see the plantar interossei. So these are about the muscles of sole in general. Now we will see the details of the muscles. Before that, there are two neurovascular bundles which supplies the muscles structures present within the sole. So two neurovascular bundles are there. The first neurovascular bundle will pass between the first and second layer, and the second neurovascular bundle will pass between the third and fourth layer here. So first layer is passing here and the second neurovascular plane is present between the third and fourth layers of the sole. So see one more thing. In the first layer and in the third layer, there are only intrinsic muscles. See, in odd numbers, there are only intrinsic muscles and both have three intrinsic muscles. In the even numbers, that is in the second and the fourth layer of sole, there are two intrinsic muscles and two extrinsic muscles. Here also, two intrinsic muscles and two extrinsic muscles.